Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I clean my coated canvas bags. So this bag here is from Michael Kors and it is called the men's flight bag. This is in the coated canvas signature. There we go. Oh, 360 view. And I have this bag here. This is the Jet Set large messenger bag in the color acorn and vanilla, and it is a little dirty because of the color transfer from your jeans. So what I use to clean the coated canvas bags are baby wipes. These are from Costco. They work really fine on the coated canvas. So I take a little wipe and I would just go through and rub the canvas in circular motions, getting all the grime off the canvas. It's pretty dirty. So I usually do this before I store the bag so that it keeps its nice and lush look. And most of Michael Kors' bags have treated leather, so you won't worry about it changing color over time. So you could use the baby wipes on the leather as well. But this bag is dirty. I'll show you the baby wipe after I'm done wiping it down. I see some people who dunk their whole bag in water. I wouldn't recommend that because the bags are made, so when the bags are being produced, they have glue in them, a type of glue that holds it together before they stitch it up. So then when you dunk it into water, all the glue residue starts to bleed through and it's really unpleasant. Here you go. It's a little gray now. It's a little dirty. But yeah, that's what I would do, and the bag will keep the nice texture and shine. I love it. So I'm gonna do this bag real quick too. Another white. This one here. This is part of their women's line. I believe that bags don't have gender. Bags can be worn by whoever. They're just categorized under different what do you call it? They're categorized under different departments, but I feel like bags are able to be worn by anyone who's interested in the bag. Alright, I'm gonna keep cleaning. I'll see you guys next time.